In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank deposit payment method in Shopify. Whether you're looking to offer more payment options for your customers or you simply want to make your store more flexible and accessible, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify admin and go to the Settings option at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Payments. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, scroll down to the Manual Payment Methods section and click on the Add Manual Payment Method button. You'll see several options that help you provide alternative payment methods like bank deposits. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Shopify makes this process very user-friendly, so there's nothing technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have your bank account details ready, including routing numbers, account numbers, and any specific instructions your customers might need. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent any confusion during checkout. Once you've clicked Add Manual Payment Method, select Bank Deposit from the list. On the Bank Deposit Settings page, fill in the Additional Details field with information like banking hours or potential processing delays. Then, in the Payment Instructions field, add your bank account details and step-by-step instructions for completing the payment. Double-check all the information to ensure clarity and accuracy, as this helps prevent mistakes and keeps your customers confident in completing their purchase. After reviewing everything, click Activate Bank Deposit. After that, you should see the bank deposit option available at checkout, giving your customers another convenient way to pay without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test the checkout process to confirm the payment instructions are visible and clear. Taking this extra step ensures smooth transactions and a better experience for your buyers. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add bank deposit as a payment option on your Shopify store easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to offer more payment options. Why not make someone's selling experience easier too?